Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some cakes in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these cakes in English together. Please give it a try. Angel food cake. Angel food cake. Angel food cake. Buttercream cake. Buttercream cake. Buttercream cake. Chiffon cake. Chiffon cake. Chiffon cake. Carrot cake. Carrot cake. Carrot cake. Cheesecake. 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 Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Pound cake. Pound cake. Pound cake. Sponge cake. Sponge cake. Sponge cake. Red velvet cake. Red velvet cake. Red velvet cake. Cupcake. 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 Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations would help us out greatly. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.